To begin your blogging experience, go to the CMS dashboard in the top left corner and select Posts in the sidebar. At the bottom, select Add New Post and give your post a title. The slug will be generated automatically. Add a featured image and add an excerpt here. You'll notice that you have styling and editing options here within the excerpt, but it is advisable that you keep this short and only in excerpt and don't do any additional formatting here, except maybe from a bold or an italic or underline. Decide whether you want to keep it a draft or publish. I'll put it on publish and add any categories if you have. Select Save Changes, and with that you will open up also translation, SEO, social sharing, as well as code injection. Next to the update in the bottom, select Edit, and this takes us into the actual post. How the posts within the builder work is that the content is created within the builder. You can select Start Building Your Page, create your own, but also look under Kit 1. We have a category here called Block with many nice pre-made blocks specifically for posts. Select, bring it in, and change out the content. To bring in dynamic content like you would for a post title and a post excerpt, that is done with dynamic elements and global blocks.